Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about camera releases in recent memory, the Sony A7V. Whether you're a photographer, filmmaker, or content creator, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. The big questions. Everyone's asking, when will the Sony A7V be released? What new features will it offer? Is it finally worth upgrading from the A7 IV? In this video, we'll go beyond the rumors and build a clear, realistic picture of what Sony might deliver, based on their latest innovations, flagship models, like the Sony A9 III and A1 II, and the current trends in the full-frame mirrorless market. What you'll learn: design and build changes, sensor and image quality upgrades, autofocus and AI enhancements, burst shooting performance video capabilities expected. Price should you upgrade? Design and build familiar. Yet refined Sony tends to evolve rather than reinvent. Expect a body similar to the A7 IV with a deeper, more comfortable grip fully articulating LCD screen. Ideal for vloggers and solo shooters, improved weather sealing for better durability, a professional-grade EVF, slightly below flagship level. But still excellent sensor and image quality, a major step forward. The A7 IV's 33MP sensor hit a sweet spot, but the A7V is expected to jump to 44MP, offering sharper detail without sacrificing low-light performance, possibly a partially stacked sensor for faster readouts, reduced rolling shutter, and smoother video cleaner high ISO results, thanks to an upgraded Bio-NZ processor. Autofocus. Smarter. Faster. More adaptive. Sony's autofocus is already industry-leading, and the A7V will take it further. Real-time tracking for people, animals, birds, vehicles, even insects. Better performance in low light and complex motion, ideal for sports, wildlife, and documentary shooters.